Right, chaps and chapettes, I don't really know if you can see me or not. I'm just kind of winging it. We've got a Astra, what is it, a J? Yeah. Astra J. 2014 Astra J for new door latch mechanism. So just a quick video on how to take off the door card. I'm going to do a time lapse because it's fancy. Right folks, that's that one done. I don't really know how much we got on time lapse. It's locked, which is always good because that's what we've been doing. So we've had to do the door mechanism. This bit right here. The drive, it's a taxi, so it is getting a lot of use on there. The complaint was that on the dashboard it was coming up to say that the door was open constantly, which it wasn't. And I'm not sure that it was locking all the time, it was like intermittent or whatever. So change that over, that's all done. It's a bit of a bind, it's the first one I've ever done, as you probably know by now. I'm not a mechanic, I just like getting stuck in, dirty fingers and all that, and buying tools, which is always good. So pretty straightforward really. So it was a case of door card off, there's lots of plastic clips on the inside of the door card off. The latch for the inside door handle, you have to unclip the wire, feed that back through. There is like a plastic seal you might see on the time lapse when you see it, like a plastic seal. It's because it's a wet door, so you do need to try and keep that as intact as you can really. That way it just stops like water ingress into the car, that sort of thing. So I was as neat as I could be. I have taped that back up as well to try and keep it as dry as I can. Pop the inside handle out and the trim off around the outside. There's a couple of T20s I think they are. Unscrew those, T20 behind the cover up there, clip under the handle, pop the clip off. Matty Kevin did that because I could not get it off. I love the money. So Matty Kevin did that, and then it was like half an hour fiddling trying to get it around the window actuator sort of thing inside, all the framework and stuff. Got it out, the new one went in really straightforward. It's always easy to do something in reverse. Once you've got it out, it's a bit easier to put it back in because you know the sort of manoeuvres to make and what have you. There's a cover that goes on one of the plugs, that was a bit of a bind. Just to get it slid on in the right place. That again just keeps everything nice and watertight and what have you. But yeah, that's that one all done. Pretty straightforward. It's taken me about an hour. Matty would have probably done that in half an hour because he knows what he's doing. But me as a novice, and some trim tools and some picks and some screwdrivers and a magnet. A little socket set. I've used a quarter drive socket set from Aldi. Had everything in I needed. Just grabbed that out of the garage and just whizzed everything off. And yeah, no power tools included. So it is something you can do yourselves at home. Is that one? It's quite a nice one. It'll save you a few quid taking it to garage as well. But obviously, our customer taxi driver, he just got it doing. So he brought it to us. So he's on his way to pick it up now. I'm sure he'll be chuffed to bits that it's all sorted for him. So that's that one. There will be more stuff coming. There's all sorts happening. Potentially got a motorbike that's got a wiring issue and a few other bits and bobs. We might have another 1 litre EcoBoost for timing belt, which whether we'll do a full in-depth video again, probably not. We've already done it. But if anybody's got any questions or out you need to know about that, or anything we didn't show that you want us to show, drop us down in the comments. Let us know and we'll get it sorted. But yeah, cheers chaps, and like and subscribe.